This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Larry Hahn. This 3-bedroom, 3 full-bath home surrounds a recently resurfaced courtyard pool. This floor plan is one of only 2 in the community, with a guest bedroom having a full ensuite bath. The home was totally storm protected with both accordion storm shutters and impact windows and doors. The electric heated pool is accessible from the main living room, the open kitchen/family room, the master bedroom, and the guest bedroom that shares the pool bath. Plantation shutters most windows. The remarkable 2-car garage is equipped with a high-tech polymer, non-slip floor surface, and has its own dedicated AC system and storage cabinets. The HOA is very well run with low quarterly fees, providing weekly lawn maintenance, 24/7 attended gated access, a community pool, a hot tub, 4 Har-Tru tennis courts, and a well-equipped fitness center open 24/7. Comcast fiber optic cable and the Xfinity X1 platform with up to 4 TV/DVR boxes, and high-speed Wi-Fi internet are all part of the dues, over a $750 quarterly value at retail. Social, for club restaurant access, or golf membership at the golf club at Crown Colony is optional. And there is no waitlist for membership. This club was chosen for the 2022 LPGA $1.5 million Drive-On Championship, hosting the world's top women golfers, and is also used for PGA qualifying events. The golf course is now being redone and will reopen in December with a new 126-seat sports bar pavilion being built onto the existing clubhouse. For more information, review the details below or contact Larry Hahn at 239-898-8789.